I'm in the middle of questioning a doctor during his pretrial testimony known as a deposition, and all of a sudden my stomach starts to grumble. Can I reach into my bag, pull out a bag, let's say a snack of Goldfish, pizza flavored no less, and start to eat while I'm questioning the doctor? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I finish my snacks and tell you exactly what the answer is. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is maybe. Now, you should know that during the course of this pretrial question and answer session, known as a deposition, by the way, that was good, pizza-flavored Goldfish. All right, during this pretrial testimony known as a deposition, it's a question and answer session that's given under oath in the defense lawyer's office. Now, there's no judge there, there's no jury there, so now I'm going into the defense lawyer's office, and we'll be sitting in the conference room. And the doctor will be there, the defense lawyer will be there, and there will be a court reporter present to record all of my questions and all of the doctor's answers. Now, it's somewhat of an informal situation. However, from the doctor's standpoint, his testimony carries the same exact weight as if he were testifying at trial. Because this is a somewhat informal setting, if I were to pull out a bag of snacks in the middle of my questioning and tell the attorney off the record, listen, I'm starving, I haven't eaten for 5 hours, now, listen, I hope you don't mind, I'm going to eat something in between my questioning. The attorney's really not going to have a problem. Or he may turn around and say, listen, I'll tell you what, why don't we take a 10-minute break, you go have your snacks, and we'll come back and continue questioning. And you know what, that's absolutely fine. I have been in situations where one of the attorneys involved is diabetic or pre-diabetic, and they're required to eat at certain intervals every couple of hours. And they will tell us that beforehand. And we say, fine, no problem. We'll take a break every couple of hours so that you can go ahead and have something to eat. And you know what? That's absolutely fine. And if it were the doctor, same thing, not a problem. So is it appropriate to reach into my bag, grab some snacks while I'm questioning? It might be. It might be acceptable. But the reality is, the better practice is to take a break, have your snacks, and then come back and continue asking questions so we can move things along and get done with everything we need to. I know you're probably getting a little hungry, wanting to have some snacks, well, as I'm talking about these pizza-flavored Goldfish, which is pretty good, by the way. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.